Hello folks, thanks for visiting Active Automotive, and in particular looking at our very clean Vito 114 Blue Tech Dualiner, to give it its full title. This one just a one owner, full Mercedes service history. We have both keys, and obviously the owner who owned it made it quite specific with the alloys, leather inside, and privacy glass on the rear and so on. But I'll try and show you around it, give you a good idea of what it's all about, and hopefully the camera will give it justice. So our vehicles, they all come prepared and with an RAC Parts and Labour National Warranty. So as much as we try and help you should you have a need, you can actually go to any VAT registered business, albeit they won't pay main dealer labour rates. So to start with, we have front sensors, obviously the alloys as I've already mentioned, and then in here, there we go, the camera will adjust. As you can see, all the leather. Is it true leather? Probably no. Mercedes probably give it a slightly different term or word or description, but as you can see, no scratches, no marks. Even the previous owner has left the film still on the radio screen, so we've left that on there, and fully carpeted, even though underneath it's as new. Door cards, no issues at all, no scratches, no marks, no nothing. In the rear, same as the front really, but as you can see, it's got a manufacturer's bulkhead. Now these can be removed if you want to. It's a little bit fiddly, but they can be removed. But the seats themselves, here we go, there we go, hopefully the camera's got that. As you can see, don't really look as though they've been used. And then in the back, and again they had the mat set, so underneath here it's as new. The privacy glass on the rear here, this is not aftermarket stick-on, that is genuine privacy glass. And then on the rear, as you can see, sensors, these are factory fitted sensors. And this one, we have what they call the barn doors rather than the tailgate. So these open pretty much as the norm really. And but these actually then open to 180. So you can actually get or back up to an area where you want to try and load as efficiently as you can. So they will hold at 90 like that one, or you can have it open to the 180 like that one. This one's got the floor that they've had put in here. These are then what you can use to put lashing hooks in order to strap down anything that you require. And as I say, the bulkhead is a factory one, and you just have to pop out those along there, up here and so on, and then you can remove that if you want. But personally, well, okay, everybody's different, but personally I'd leave it as it is. So that's the rear. Then moving around the side, driver's side now. Hopefully the camera's showing you just how clean this is. I'll show you in the rear. From this side, show it wasn't a fluke. Excuse me. Like I say, it is so clean. So clean. Quite clearly, in our opinion, it hasn't had much of a hard life at all. All the seats, everything, all just, yeah, exactly as you'd like. So where it works, driver's door card, electric windows here, electric mirrors here, and these are, let me try and turn the ignition on for you. Electric folding. Oh, there I am. Hit the button, electric folding. And that's operated from here. And then this is simply to go left or right, so whichever one you want to alter. Auto lights, and then sitting inside what we have, multifunction steering wheel, basic controls, everything, Bluetooth, radio, trip computer, etc. And the way it works on these, your indicators and wipers are here, cruise control on this one, which is here, and then literally your radio, and then heat controls here, and this one with the all-important aircon as well. The parking sensors, if I could just quickly turn it off and on, you'll see how they display to let you know. Let me show you. So you'll have a beeping noise as well, but that's the style that you get as well. And like I say, that's Mercedes fitment. So there you have it, extremely clean. To the extent we'd probably challenge you to try and find a cleaner one. But please, please, please do remember, we are still trying to do an appointment only to avoid people getting disappointed travelling any distances to view. So do call to make that appointment first. Many thanks for looking.